You don't want to ruin relationships by living with other people unless you absolutely have to. Because no matter what, the best behavior you're on, they always find something to bitch about. Shout out to Janae, Elisa, Liz, Joanna, Natalie. Let me know what you're having for dinner. Or a snack, as I call everything. Jars pack insane. What's up, guys? So today we're having a kind of seafood boil, but it's just like clean, and then I have the sauce on the side. And I have Tabasco, salt, I have limes, potatoes, shrimps, 2 snow crab legs, clusters, and then this is just a butter, you know, the ones. And I did asparagus instead of cucumber because I'm trying to like conserve the cucumber, and I have a lot of asparagus. So, and I see people doing like peppers and asparagus and different types of vegetables, even broccoli. But anyway, my mouth is watering, like, oh my god. Oh, I already have a shrimp in here. If you hear water, that's the rain. It's like raining outside, like big time. I never do like honkin' potatoes like this, but the last time I went to the store, they didn't have the little tiny ones that I love. They didn't have them, so. Ooh. That's the type of bite I'm looking for. This is the most simplest, most delicious thing. You know what I missed? Shrimp cocktail. It's been a minute. I regret not doing a lot of crab while I had no nails, because it really does hinder you a little bit. You get used to it, but let me know if you're wearing pajamas right now, because if you are, that's amazing. So juicy. Where did I throw that? I don't like when trash falls back in here. I don't know where it went. Let me know where it went. Oh well. Someone commented the other day, I miss Chinese buffets, and I was like, Lord, me too. Chinese buffets are the best. I think that's one of the only restaurants that I'm like dying to go to. That bite. Was that it? Oh, there it is. I'm just going in right now. I'm sorry. I'm just so hungry. Think I'm not gonna get all my crab out of here? I can't go buy more. This is it. Oh, there's something in here. Let me know what you're having for dinner. Or a snack, as I call everything. Which I just pack insane. Where's my limon? Here it is. I am aware this is a lime, but I call everything limon. For a makeshift B-Loves, this is so good. I usually save these for Pooms because they're such a bitch to open, but what have you guys been doing? What are you up to? I say this, but oh my god. I'm wearing a Target pajama set. It's one of my favorites. I hope I don't completely break it in today. I wear it all the time, but I'm just saying I don't want to ruin it with this Buddha. So far, everything has been making it to my mouth. Oh my god. So the kids are on a really good schedule. And today was like the first day that they didn't like fight it. Mine are having a hard time going to bed. We put them to bed at a decent hour, but they still end up talking in there for like an hour, 2 hours. You're like, geez, I would get bored. If I was sitting there for 2 hours, whew, I would just go to sleep. That's just me though. I love sleep. Do you guys prefer seafood boil like all embarrado, like all like dripping the sauce, or clean and then you dip in the sauce? Because I grew up eating it super just plain, con limes and puta, so much on my shirt, with limes and habanero. So I think that's why I'm kind of biased, because you could just taste the natural flavor. But I do like me a good sauce. squeeze with that hand. Oh, I'm mad that I left my habanero on the counter. And I don't have any right here. I usually have some around here somewhere. But, oh well. This has pieces of onion and ginger in it. Like bee lips. Oh my god. I have a friend. I hope she doesn't mind that I'm going to talk about this, but I have a friend that she lived with her friend. I've seen them just like real quick, just for like a couple months. And she ordered bee loves, and she was trying to move out of this place as soon as possible because, like, who wants to live with, like, they call it the arrimado, like, you don't want to live with someone, like, forever, you know? She has 2 kids and her boyfriend or whatever. And the homie let them live with them real quick, just while they got on their feet. And so she ordered bee loves, and I was like, dude, have you tried it yet? She's like, no, I haven't tried it yet. What happened, man? Oh, I can't make it here. And I'm like, why? And she's like, oh, I can't make anything that's going to stink up the house. And I'm like, okay, the person I'm talking about is a foodie, just like me. And I have never really thought about that. Like, oh, I can't make this and that because it's gonna stink up the house and I'm gonna upset somebody. So it's just insane. Like, there's things you don't think about when you live alone, when it's your own, like, space. I used to live in a garage, so I'm not fancy by any means, but when she told me that, it just took me back, like, oh wow, like, you can't just do whatever you want when you live with somebody. I used to do videos when the kids were at school, and Pac be like, can this person come over? I'm like, I was about to make, like, seafood. Like, that'll stink up the house, and I don't want, like, other people to be grossed out or something. That's different. But, like, you don't think that when you're cooking, or you're making food for everybody, that it's gonna stink, that it's gonna annoy others. I just never thought about it. See, right now I was cooking, like, warming this up and everything. And I was like, alright guys, be ready. But I have the sauce everywhere. Forgive me. This was hiding trash. I hate that. So she moved out, and she made the bee loves within 2 days of moving. Oh yeah. She liked it. Moral of the story: if you don't have to live with others, don't do it. Don't even, like, the homie, like, roommate. Because it can never go on forever. Like, one of you is going to outgrow each other. You don't want to ruin relationships by living with other people unless you absolutely have to. Because no matter what, the best behavior you're on, they always find something to bitch about. Just because you're in their space. Like at my mom's, I cooked, I cleaned, took care of my kids perfectly. I still got bitched at. I got bitched at for, why did you cook this instead of this? Like, I didn't have to cook you guys anything, you know? It was always something. So. I've had a few ask if they can live here, and I'm like, nope, because I don't want to fight with you. We're not going to fight. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. No, you can't. I'm sorry. I love you, but no. No, I'm not going to put my family on the street or anything, but I'm just saying, if they have the option of moving somewhere where they're fine, but they'd rather be with you, it's like, no. Unless it's an emergency. I've had several people of my family members live in my house that needed it, like, dire needed it. That's fine. But someone that just doesn't, that just wants it, pretty much they think this is a hangout spot. It's not. It's my family's home, you know what I mean? Like, I'm cool, I'm everything, but you need to go home at the end of the day. How are these crab legs getting better as I eat them? Like the flavor. Ta-da! Oh my god, all the pretty responses to this video. I love it. I'm gonna shout out the first 10 people like I used to. Remember that? Do you remember? Shout out to Janae, Elisa, Liz, Joanna, Natalie, Jocelyn, Emily, Slime22, Maddie, Tamara. Is it Tamara? I don't know. Lucia D, it's Naomi, Emery, Paola Garcia, Chelsea Berger, Kate B, A Banks, Robbie, Venice Rodriguez, Rebecca, Natalie, Venice again. Is it Wall Hernandez, Jacob J, A&A Gang, Jasmine Rodriguez, Lacey Vlogs, Moonlight, Marissa, Shelby Jones. She comments on every video. I truly appreciate it. Season Russell, Songbird ASMR, Plum Alex, Athena Aries, Team Wilson, Ashley, LOL, Bryn, Garden Lady, Stray Beans, Into the Wild ASMR, and Zishay White. That's the last one a minute ago. Thank you for commenting. I do read them all. I may not like sometimes they're so big I want to go back to them, and sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's not on purpose. It's just I do read 95% of my comments. I read them when I'm going to sleep. I read them when I wake up. Man, I've gotten a couple fuchilala ones, but most of them are so good. So I appreciate you. Thank you for commenting. People in my DMs, you know who you are. I love all of you. I'm so appreciative. I haven't said it in a while, but I do feel it. So I want you to know that. It's very rewarding to know that people like you and want to see you, want to know that you're okay. Like if I disappear, boom, you guys are like, bitch, are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, man. Good. But I know how that is. Like when I see it, like a YouTuber that I like disappear, I'm like, what happened? Like you couldn't even just like let us know real quick, you know? This one's dry as hell. Look at this one. Here we go. These are some good limes lately here. Need some salecita. I think the next thing I'm going to show you guys how to make is mole. That is an acquired taste, so if we don't know that you like it or not, I don't know. I don't know, because I didn't like it when I was little, and I like everything. But when I was little, I didn't like it at all. I don't know if it's because it was brown or what the reason was, but I like it now, so. It is not for everybody, but it is so good, so. Yeah. That will be what I'm going to work on next. Oh, I made these potatoes in the Instapot in 8 minutes. They came out perfect, so do that. Before quarantine, I looked for mussels. I looked for everything. I never made it to the Asian market because it's like further, so I never really went that way. I kept only going to like one big grocery store because it was like, you know, you like trying to get everything. This shit is crushed and it will not give me my piece of meat. But anyway, so I never got to, not even the little black mussels. I looked for them at 3 stores. Thank God I got these, but I have hella shrimp in the freezer, so that'll work for now. The mole, I'm going to make it with chicken. People like to have mole así con the chicken leg in it and then eat it off the bone. I don't like it like that. I like my chicken to be clean and already shredded and pretty. You could do it like enchiladas de mole. It's the... You fry a tortilla and you dip it in there. Like if you would, like an enchilada, like the green ones. Or red, and you're using mole. So I like them like that, or just a pile of boneless, skinless, you know, like shredded, and then with rice with the sauce all over the top. If you're vegetarian, I totes was vegetarian, and I would put rice inside of the tortilla instead of meat, so you can do that. I'll see if Pac wants to eat with me. If she doesn't, well then, well, bunch of limes. I'm gonna make aguachiles. That's coming up. I put an index card, so literally I looked at what's in the fridge and the freezer. I got an index card and then I wrote down everything that I can make. You know what I mean, because of the situation, so I don't go out, because right now is supposedly like the worst time, because like, you know, it's been 2 weeks. So we're going to have like 2 weeks of ugly. We went out one last time because we had to get like Easter stuff, you know? So. I think I'm good. This is so good. This is probably one of my favorite times that I've made it. Anyways, I'm not wearing any chonies. Who'd have thunk? I'm actually doing laundry right now, and it's raining and it's cozy, so I'll probably when I'm done with my laundry, I'll put like some big sweats on and a big t-shirt, like long sleeve, and be just toasty. Stay cozy, stay safe, stay clean, because cochina's everywhere. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!